This room is incredibly yellow. We got 2 modernized elevators, but I am not sure what they were originally. Some of you can probably figure it out if you look at the door jamb. Start by going down. This one. So here's your door jamb. I think this is, that looks really old. That's definitely really deep. Get ourselves a cab view. There's a door operator if any of you guys can better identify what this is. And we've got shaft lights, which is super cool. And again, rest of your cab. Very standard, nice looking cab. You coming with? You don't have to. You want to stay? All right. All right, let's go on up. Actually, we're going to go down first. Capacity of 2,500 pounds. All right. Quirk and feature, my friends. Can we go up? Are you serious? Can we go up? Are you serious? All right. Oh my God. Really? What's going on here? Why won't you shut? Can we call the elevator? All right, I guess that one's leaving us. We got this one now. That's hilarious. And now that one left. That's so weird. All right, well, we'll take the other cab. This one is a service cab, so it is quite a lot taller. All right. Whoa. There we go. See if we can get that other elevator now. We'll send you up. There goes that one. The other one is on floor 10, of course. I went down to the basement in this one, and when I got down there, it wouldn't let me leave. Oh, hello. The elevator wouldn't let me leave. The door would shut and then it would reopen. I was like stuck in the basement, so I got off, and then I called in the hall, and the other one came down, and that one then left. It was so weird. So I don't know what kind of controller these are on, but they might be a little glitchy. So this time we're gonna go up instead of down. Let's try this one out. See if we can do it this time. Can we go up? That is a loud break. This thing's making a lot of noises. This is kind of entertaining. We'll give it one more good ride. I think so. I think it's worth it. These accelerate really smoothly, but they're really fast. I like these. Yeah, that is an incredibly loud brake. I have no idea if that's normal, but clearly the other one is not that loud. Oh. And then there's a thud. There's a thud right in the last few floors coming down. This is an interesting thing. Hello. And there it goes. See you later.